So the elephant in the room is refrigeration. In retail, grocery, and cold storage, refrigeration is almost the entire ballgame when it comes to energy maintenance, sustainability, operations, and compliance. On the energy side, refrigeration is consuming 60 to 70% of all the energy in the store. So very, very meaningful. And costs are rising even faster than inflation. On the maintenance side, it's estimated that up to 90% of store service calls are driven by refrigeration. So if you don't have a handle on refrigeration, then you definitely don't have a handle on your maintenance. And beyond the cost of paying technicians, there's so many downstream implications of having maintenance emergencies that get back to merchandising and selling groceries and keeping customers and employees happy as well. And of course, there's this vicious cycle we're going to talk about, which is spending all day reacting to emergencies and never being able to catch up. And on the leak side, obviously, refrigerant leaks are of growing importance in our space, not only because of the cost implications of a leak, but also the operational of a business interruption when there's a big leak that causes the store to have temperature issues. And then there's also the compliance element, which is more and more becoming a forefront issue for our industry, from a CSR standpoint, also from a EPA standpoint and CARB standpoint.